Hello everyone, this is lecture series 6 under Computer Networks Lab dealing with the last experiment, that is under part A, the sixth experiment. Come, let's go into the video. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment. So we have seen all these 5 experiments in the other series of video, and one last experiment in part A is implementation of link state routing algorithm. So what is link state routing algorithm? It is just an algorithm which is going to teach you how a packet from a node is sent to the other node. So how a routing is set between each node. That is called as link state algorithm, link state routing algorithm. So routing of packets to different nodes. Okay. So coming inside the program, as usual, you will set a new class simulator and you have a NAM file and a trace file as we have already seen in all other programs. And here you are creating a protocol called as LS, which is nothing but the protocol is link state routing algorithm or routing protocol. Okay, so you're creating a routing protocol called as link state. And this will be used at the end to finish the program where all the data that has been entered to create a state routing algorithm will be flushed into the global class and you will be executing that particular NAM file. And after creating the NAM file, now here you have set for set I 0 and dollar symbol you have given where I is lesser than 7. So now the I, it is an iterating value telling that it will range from 0 to 6. Okay, it should be lesser than 7. So 0 to 6. You are going to increment this I value 0, 1, 2, 3 to find which is the best routing that is taking place between each nodes. Now after that, after doing this, you are going to set a node. For setting, again after setting a node, you are going to increment the I. That is, for a particular node, you have given some I value and you are again going to define a node to set another I value. And you are telling that it is a duplex link, that is either it can send and receive messages, and the bandwidth, time interval and the type of queue that is being used is all defined. Now after that you are going to set up a new agent called UDP, or TCP also can be created. Here we are using UDP for that agent for a particular node, node 0. So UDP will be 0. Then you are creating the application here. So while creating the particular application, here you are going to set the size of the packet that should be received and transmitted. So packet size and in what interval of time each packet has to be transmitted, and your create what agent is created to define all these packets will be defined. And then you're creating a null class because to define even if the package that is sent with a 0 value, null value, the nodes has to accept. Okay, so and here you are going to give the start value, end value, stop value, finish value, and here you are defining the routing model should start working at this milliseconds or this seconds, where it should go from node 1 to node 2. So what all the values that I values are incremented here, it will be moving between 1 and 2 for a particular period of time, and particular period of time the model will be running between, that is the packet will be running between 1 and 2. So you're going to define for each which node you're going to route the packets. That is what is explained here. So after doing this, you're completely flushing the data in the global class, and then you're coming up with the output where you will write the to see the NAM file. ns1.tcl is where you are going to see the NAM file with 6 or 7 nodes created and how the routing is taking place between each of the nodes. How is packets transmitted from one node to the other node. All these you will be observing in the NAM file. And if you really want to know the number of packets that is routed between different nodes, what packets is routed to which node, all those you will be seeing in this terminal file once if you give this ns1.tcl in a form of bits or in a form of numbers. You will be getting the values, as well as you can see the NAM file where animation will be created, where you can observe the packets routing to the different nodes. Hope you have understood the concept. Please be stay tuned for more information. Thank you.